What's poppin', C fam? You rockin' with your boy Tommy. I got the kiddos with me today. I got Tashii and I got Jaden. And today, we trying to conquer the chicken nugget challenge! Yeah, that's right. You know, I got 50 nuggets in front of me. The kids got 50 nuggets in front of them. It's gonna be me versus the kids. We got 10 minutes to knock out 100 chicken nuggets. Y'all ready?
Yep. Yeah, we're definitely gonna win.
Okay, y'all think y'all gonna beat me?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Team Light Bright gonna beat me?
Yep.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, in the comments below, right, who y'all think gonna win? Period. Team Tommie? Team Tommie or Team Light Bright?
Light Bright is gonna win.
All right, so yeah, open up your sauces. We open up my ranch.
I like honey mustard too, guys.
Get this
I like
barbecue
sour
sauce
and
popping.
barbecue.
Sweet and sour.
So
how many nuggets you think you can knock out, Jaden?
40.
40 by yourself?
Yeah.
Huh?
Ooh.
Probably more.
What about you, Tashii?
10 or like 11.
About 10? Okay. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't know. I don't know how many I can knock out. I'm gonna say at least 30. I can knock out 30 of them.
What are you gonna do with another other 20?
I don't know, it's a challenge. Collectively, we're trying to knock out 100. But the challenge between us is we gonna see how many I can eat versus how many you can eat.
That buffalo sauce look hot.
Okay. So yeah, McDonald's just came back with a spicy nuggets. So this will be my first time trying out the spicy nuggets.
Mine too.
Okay. I'm gonna get the timer on my phone. So everybody set up, y'all good?
Yep.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm starving, the kids are starving. Let's get into it.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
3,
2, 1.
Let's get it. 10-minute timer is on. Let's get it popping.
So good.
That's one down.
Next one.
Let's get it.
Ooh. Kill me. It's good. It's hot though.
Okay, y'all trying to keep up with me, huh? This is my 5th nugget right here. It's time to double it up. 2 nuggets, baby. 2 nuggets at a time. They ain't finna beat me. It's Team Tommie all day.
It's Team Bright Light.
These nuggets is good, bro.
This challenge is definitely a lot harder
These nuggets is
than what I thought.
magnificent.
10 nuggets in, I'm already getting full.
Good stuff, guys.
I'm like, I'm number 15.
All right. 2 minutes in. How y'all feeling?
Yeah.
Well, y'all gonna finish y'all 50?
Definitely.
Okay. I gotta catch up to y'all. I'm starting to smoke me. I ain't never ate nuggets this fast before. I can't even enjoy this fight. One chew, swallow, on to the next.
No. It's really good. It's just spicy.
What y'all think about the spicy nuggets compared to the regular ones?
I like the regular ones better.
Really?
I like this one better.
I like these too. They snap.
You should try it with the ranch.
kind of lost count how many I just knocked down.
Yeah, me too.
I want to say maybe 20.
I think we're almost done.
Let me check the time. All right,
5 minutes.
6:30. Woo!
Now we
Take a
can
little
beat
breather.
you.
Woo! Okay, let's get it.
Y'all, these nuggets, y'all need these.
I never enjoyed my food.
Alright, he's starting to catch up. It's time to go. Extra mode.
It's like neck and neck.
No, I'm not making that.
All right. Feel like I gotta go in again.
No.
3 at a time. 3 nuggets at a time.
I gotta be back. I'm gonna go get some water. Whew.
Y'all pray for me. 3 nuggets.
Guys, it's really hot. Whew.
Time check. All right. We got 5 minutes to go, y'all.
Ooh.
You trying to help me out? Huh? Little trader? Huh? It's Team Lightbright against Team Tommie. I want to beat y'all fair and square.
No, it don't look like it.
Remember, it's 1 of me against 2 of y'all. Well, if I win, I get all the bragging rights.
No. Look. Let's go.
Yeah, I can guess who's gonna win. Look at the difference.
Time check.
Look at the difference.
4 minutes and 30 seconds to go.
Are you about to lose?
Woo!
You trying to get full, huh?
I am getting full.
Me too.
It's gotta be at least 30 nuggets.
Stop.
Wow. You getting full?
Barely, I'm full right now.
Huh? You getting full?
I don't even know how I'm still eating.
I'm almost at my max too, bro. Come on, y'all. We gotta push through it. 3 minutes.
My insides are hurting. Whew.
Mine too.
Guys, when I swallow,
I'm eating so much, I can't even enjoy it.
we got 3 left.
Oh.
Guys, we winning. We basically the winners.
Basically, we are.
So I got 3 left?
Yep.
Man,
You're not gonna have no laughing matters.
I definitely underestimated this challenge.
Hopefully, you got these last 3 kills.
255, y'all.
I'm gonna take this last one.
Time
I'm
is
gonna take
ticking.
these 2.
Look like Jaden tapped out. I'm still going in, Team Tommie. We getting it.
No, you're not.
Go.
Man, look like the kiddos beat me. But let's see how many I got left. I started out with 50. Remind you, it's 2 of them. And they got to split 50. See how many I knocked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 behind y'all. I don't think that's not bad.
What is that? You ate 43?
Oh, man.
My
Yeah, you ate
mouth.
43.
Can't even think right now.
No, you ate 33.
33 nuggets. I said about 30 nuggets, you know. It ain't over though.
I had at least 4.
We got 1 more minute.
Team Kiddos.
Team Light Bright.
All right, come on.
It's gonna be like
Y'all
this.
help me out for this last minute.
Nuh-uh.
Let's see how many we can knock out.
You can't do that.
I'm full. I can't
The
do no
challenge
more.
is to knock out 100 nuggets.
I'll take
The
1.
individual's challenge is me against y'all.
Yeah, I don't know. My mouth is too burning. Boy.
This will be my last nugget. 20 seconds.
Better enjoy it.
Count down. 15, 14, 13, 12,
11, 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We won!
Nah, it was 2 of y'all. If it had just been me against y'all, me against one of y'all, I think I would have took that.
And y'all know,
And it's all over.
in 10 minutes.
I ate more than 10. My
Oh
was.
my God.
My stomach is
My
like,
stomach is so full. I haven't been this full in a long time.
Me either. After this, because I'm laying on the couch.
So what y'all think about this challenge?
I
I
liked
think
it.
we-
It was fun.
It was
Yeah.
okay.
Very
My mouth
competitive.
is burning. I'd rather have the regular nuggets.
Well,
Which one are y'all? Team Light Bright or Team Kiddos?
Kiddos.
Ooh, kiddo, yep.
Huh?
Kiddo.
Team Kiddos, hashtag Team Light Skin.
He gave up. He asked us to help him, and it was supposed to be a
I
competition.
didn't give up.
But
Y'all
we,
won the individual competition. I was just trying to knock out the 100 Nuggets challenge, period.
Yeah,
We got pretty close.
Yeah,
Let's see how many we got left.
Like,
You already counted.
After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
16.
9, 10, 11, 12. 12
Excuse me.
nuggets left out of 100. That's not bad.
Well, you guys know what to do. Like,
like,
comment, and subscribe.
and share.
Please share this video with your friends and family. And we out.
Peace.